Kia ora, Rachel Taulelei tōku ingoa. My name's Rachel Taulelei and I'm the CEO of Kono. Feel the fear is something that I shared with the kids this morning because it's about feeling that fear and doing it anyway. And we explored the idea of the fact that you've got to grow to love that excitement, the butterflies in your tummy, the slight feeling of discomfort, because that tells you that you're pushing the boundaries, you're going into new territories, you're learning something new and you're slightly outside of your comfort zone, which is a great place to be.
It's true that the future of work is uncertain, but what is certain is that these young people have the skills, they've got the creativity, they've got the technological skills to go out there and start something and add a lot of value.
It's fantastic to see so many young people here really passionate about entrepreneurship and starting their own organisations. There's so many fantastic future-focused fields for the young people here today to consider, such as technology, entrepreneurship, even the primary industries.
People at the start of their careers, just with everything in front of them, is just really inspiring to see, and it's great that they're taking an interest in what's in front of them at this stage. I think that's going to set them up well.
The Future of Work Conference is an amazing event run by the Graeme Dingle Foundation in partnership with businesses and council and schools from all over Marlborough. So it's an amazing place to be and such an inspiration.
I think it's a phenomenal occasion to bring together young people out of their working environment, education outside the classroom, where they can see each other, they can open their minds and be subject to new learnings or new experiences, and it's all for them. So I think that's a real gift from the foundation to the kids today.